everyone. We all know that we used to cook, but the oil that we used to cook, we never consider the harmfulness to the environment, right? So, based on our research, the cooking oil that we use already will contaminate the clean water as long as it was thrown down to the river or to the other water systems. This can create a big problem that it will cause the water to become dirty, so people cannot consume it. This is the problem. The thing is, we need to reduce the amount of cooking oil into the environment. We cannot stop people from using the cooking oil, but we can convert it into clean and vegan using products. As we can see, we have the potential of getting the cooking oil from the restaurant or the household in the market. So our headquarters base is in Phnom Penh, and according to Cambodia Tourism Supply 2020, there are a total of 1,283 restaurants operating there. So we get the cooking oil from them, and we use it to convert liquid soups and other fragrant bar that it will create the delightful and soothing experience to the customer. Our unique and potential competitive advantages is that it is low saving cost. We have low cost from other normal products, and the smell and the fragrance of the product is much more enjoying and soothing than the normal products. Our monetary concept is that our revenue stream focus mainly on selling to the B2B section. So we sell it to the resort, the hotel, or the restaurant that they need to have the soup and the bathing products to put it into their room. And as our market grows, we will let the household, we will sell this product into the household people or the retailers that they will contribute it more to the customers. One of our exciting and future revenue stream is that we will license our brand to the other company or to the other partner that they want to cooperate with us by creating this experience. So our key after doing that, we think we we believe that we could minimize the waste cooking oil into the system. We encourage cleanliness and healthy living, and we promote recycling idea.